you want to know how to change the little struts, the supports, the shocks on your liftgate of your Tahoe, this is for 2015s and newer. You can see all the other videos about, oh, just peace. But what about the ones that have this thinking power thing? Get the power liftgate. This video is gonna go step by step, show you every single thing. All right, let's go. All right, so here we go. Whenever you go to O'Reilly's, go to AutoZone, you're gonna look it up, you're gonna say, well, what do you need? I need the liftgate. They're gonna sell you those tiny little ones that just go peace. And if that's what you need to do, there's already a video about that. This is not that one, but I guess you could watch this one too and get it. But all you gotta do is pop the little thing out, pop it off, and then snap it on, and you're done. But when you need this one, because you got the LTZ or whatever, you've got the one, this is the one they're gonna say, oh, I'm so sorry, we don't have this part. It's a manufacturer part. So you gotta go to the dealership and go get it. And they're gonna quote you like 350 bucks. No, right? So they're gonna quote you that and you say, dang, I don't wanna pay that. So you're gonna have to go on Amazon. I'll have the little link in the description. Get these pieces on Amazon. This was $99, maybe $95. Today is like March 23rd, 2024. So Amazon, the link here, this was 99 bucks, maybe $95. So it's good. Go there instead of the manufacturer stuff. So when you're doing this, you're gonna open up your liftgate, right? I got my little ladder, propped it up. It's gonna be super heavy, not crazy heavy. You can obviously support it with your back. But we just wanna do that, right? So I got a little ladder to support that, just in case you don't have a partner. Now, when you have it up here, it's gonna be attached. It's gonna be like this, and it's gonna be like this. Now, if you can you come in real quick? When this little ball is here, like this guy is pushed in, and the other guy is pushed to the side. But this guy right here, there's like a little paperclip looking thing here. You can get a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna pull it out, and that will release this little ball joint from here. There's a little hole right here. So right now, if I snap it in, it's gonna stay here, and then I'm like, it won't come out. Lift this, pull it back, we're good. And then go up here to the top. You'll see it'll be like this. You'll see this guy on the outside. You'll put your little screwdriver in here, pull it out, and then pull it out. So you'll do that on this side. Then you'll repeat the same thing over there. All right, pull it to the outside, pull to the outside, pull, and that's it. We're taking these guys off. Make sure your ladder's there. That way you can support. This guy right here, he's gonna be secured. Ooh, never mind that reflective hoodie. Here you go. This guy's gonna be secured tight and flush against your roof. How do I pop it off? I got the screwdriver. You see this little crevice here, the little round part? You're gonna like put it right here in that area, and you're just gonna kind of pinch it and just wiggle it open, and that way it can release. There's a little knob you'll feel here. I don't know if you can see it from here. You want to zoom into this? Able to come in? There's a little guy right here. So that's the guy you're gonna release from that part. So it's gonna be here. Pop it, pull it, and I worked my way down here. But I think I might have broke something on this piece. I don't know. I'll try when I put it back on. And you'll go all the way, but you don't have to go all the way. This is what we need to see. We gotta see this piece right here. This is the one we want. Okay, this guy right here, he's gonna be all the way flush. Like, he's gonna be all the way, and you can be like, oh, I've been trying to pull it down, I don't know what to do. All right, here's what I did. You're going to, I had a chisel. I'm not a man's mechanic. So you're gonna pull this, you're gonna pull this rubber part down, and when you see these little guys right here, I stuck this screwdriver in, and I pushed it and I pulled it down. This guy came off. Then I went and did the guy on this side, got him down. Then I went in and did this, got him down, and then now he's hanging out right here. So this is how you get this part loose. This part, you'll need to get this part loose. You don't see the video on this part. So up this little wire, you got the little black guy off with the little plastic piece off, right? Now, here's the guy we're gonna take off. This is the little junction thing. So what we're gonna do is push this guy in like that way, and then you're gonna push this guy down to push that way, and just try to wiggle him out. Ready? Wiggle. Got him. All right, now you're gonna free him from this little plastic piece. There he goes. Now he's free to come out, and look at that. Yeah, we got it out. Got this guy. This is the bad one. Now, we're gonna put the good one in. So, first thing I'm gonna do is fish it up to the top. Wow. All right, here he is. Let's connect him. There it is, he clicked. That must mean we did something right. Give him a little more slack. Secured him in the plastic. We don't want this guy flying around, right? Now we'll come over here. Once you get this the little plastic guy, man, I ended up just taking mine off. Right? It was that was the longest part of this thinking work. So I just cut the plastic guy off. When I put the little rubber guy on, he sat really well. It felt like it made a little seal, like you'll feel it whenever you do it. So my plastic guy is gone. I took it off. It was a huge headache. I would have been done like an hour ago. So snap these parts on, snap the parts on, and then go to the other side. Make sure my ladder was here supporting it still, and then I removed him. Remember, like I said earlier, you get the little flathead screwdriver, pop it out, pull it out, pop it out, pull it out. And then I snapped the other guys on. Snap, snap. I did have to extend the liftgate all the way though. I was like, holy crap, these little pieces are too long, I don't know. But it's fine. And so now, before I put this away, before I put the little paneling back up, let's test it, make sure we're good. Oh my gosh, I hope we're good. Father. Yes, it wasn't doing this before. Or before, when I would open it, it would only go like and close. But now we're up. So 99 bucks, link in the description. I'm not sponsored by them. If you like this video and really enjoy it, man, maybe you can sell me or something. Let's see what's up, saving you some time, saving some money, taking you step by step. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah.
Thank you, Father. It's our honor. All your sons, all your daughters give you praise. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father.